my channel. Yay! Finally, I'm making again a video about the wig. This week, guys, you have to get your own, please. Look, I buy this in Diverse Stress in online. So this week it's a bomb. It's a bomb. I have this for let's say for three months now, and it's still so nice. And you can look how my fingers getting through. It was 25 bucks, guys. 25 bucks. It was on sale. I'm just waiting when they have sale, and then I buy my wigs from them. So it's a beautiful, nice looking wig. You can put the glue if you want. They have lace, please. You can put the glue if you want. If you don't want, you don't have to put the glue, and then it's not gonna go anywhere. So let me take it off and show you how it looks inside. Okay, guys, I already make a video about the makeup, and I put also the wig just to show you. But this video I'm talking only about the wig, how this wig looks like. You see inside, it looks like you have 1, 2, 3 combs. Okay, and you have an attachment here. You can attach here. You can fix if you have bigger head, small head, you fix it. So, and you have this part, okay, and it's very nice. So I brush it, and I comb it very nicely, and it looks so beautiful. I think I'm gonna order one more again. It was $25, so it was not too expensive, and you can wash it and let it dry. Okay, let it dry. Don't dry it with the blow dry, just let it dry by itself, and it's gonna look so nice on you. So let me put this wig on. You're gonna see transformer in my face. Okay, so I put this wig. I'm almost done. I'm making a wig video. It looks beautiful. What do you think?
Wow, your high heel. Oh my god.
And with the high heel I put, I look so slim. Let me show you my tummy. After having baby, guys, it takes time. You know, it takes time to lose weight after having baby. Don't rush, nothing. I was doing exercise, the stair up, it didn't work, so I have to go the stairs. I'm walking like 38 stairs, okay, every day. Only today, Saturday, and yesterday I didn't do it on Friday. But every day I'm walking stairs, and I'm trying also to do like keto diet, something like this. But I'm eating my carbs, I'm eating my rice, and I'm eating also my bread in the morning. Instead of eating like 3 or 4 pieces of bread, I'm having only one. Okay, baby, wait.
Baby.
Okay, so stop talking about my losing weight, because I have a baby, so I was doing all my best. I wanted to, when I dress something, my tummy doesn't look like I'm again pregnant. It looks like, look, you see that? I'm looking nice. Okay, this one is still here, but it's gonna go away little by little. So let's talk about wig. Okay, let me show you the wig. It looks like this, the wig, and I love the wig. I love it. I love the way it looks. And I'm gonna get my brushes down. Don't go anywhere, stay there. Okay, so this is the brush. You see, I'm brushing my wig. $25, guys. Go get your wigs. I'm gonna put the link below. Go get it. And the delivery was so fast. It comes so fast by the mail. I'm saving my money because I want also to support my sisters over there in YouTube who's making wigs, and I want to support them for their business, wigs, oil. I want to buy the oil from Freedom. She's selling the oil, for the hair. You can have a sticky hair. She's selling that. I'm gonna leave the link for Freedom. Go buying her oil. I don't buy the wig for Freedom because I don't have a lot of money to buy $300 wigs, but I have $25 to buy my wigs, so I'm buying the wigs from $25. I'm gonna save money. If I have more, I'm gonna start with Tatapo, buying her wigs, and buying oil from Freedom, I'm going to do that, but not now, little by little. So you see, $25 wigs, and you can just put your hands there. It looks, I like it. It looks so beautiful, and that's it. So this is how I wanted to show you. Look, you see that? You see this paw, guys? I didn't even put, you know, some people put like they get foundation, the foundation in your, like the same color as your skin, and they put, I didn't even have to put it. I didn't have to do that. It looks so nice and natural. You don't even have to put the foundation. Just like this, that's it. Okay? And you don't have to have the $1 billion to look fancy and nice and beautiful. No. Very cheap. The earrings I buy from Shein. It's a website. It's called Shein. Like this. It was $3. Okay? Shein. Go to Shein. You can buy your earring. $3, $2.99. Okay? Very cheap. And this I was waiting for the sale, and they have a sale, $2.99. So the jean Walmart, $7. So you just dress, you know how to dress, and you dress nicely. You don't have to go to spend $200-$300 to dress nicely. Just go with the budget you have with your family. Okay? Don't follow like the women who showing you the clothes with $300, $500, $400. No, you don't have to. A wig for $600 to buy a wig. Oh my God, what day I'm gonna buy that wig? So expensive. You don't have to. You just go slowly, okay? Save money. If you have money, go buy the expensive wig. If you don't have money, go cheaper like me, okay? I'm cheaper. I look nice, okay? So, look. I'm going to go turn the back so you guys can see how it looks like in the back. And then we're going to say bye-bye. You see that? It's very full. 4 weeks. You see the long? It looks like here. I want to turn slow motion. Okay guys, so I love you. I hope you like my video. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Very soon I'm gonna start challenging my kids, and we're gonna make a video about the challenge. We don't know which one, but it's gonna be a secret. If you guys wanna follow us, follow me, and you wanna see what kind of challenge I'm making with my kids, I'm gonna make a video in French. Let's see what my brain telling me to do this time. It's gonna be in French, and the challenge with my kids is gonna be a surprise for you guys. Okay? Love you. Subscribe. Leave your comment below. And this week you go to buy. It looks like this. Okay? It looks like this. And I'm gonna turn. It looks like this. I leave everything. You guys, you can see the wigs. Go get your own. And you don't have to be expensive to look beautiful and cute. Yeah, I'm a Barbie girl. Na 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 na. They told me stop to put the music. I have to sing my music. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Whoa, whoa. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. Come. Woo. So, guys, I love you. And I see you in my next video. Go look my video I post about the makeup, the $20 in my pocket. Go see my video over there, and you're gonna see what I use to make this beautiful makeup. Nice looking. It's very simple. You don't have to go expensive. I say I'm gonna use baby powder in my video. I didn't even apply baby powder, but I promise you guys I'm gonna make a video why I'm using baby powder, and you're gonna see the differences. You don't have to go expensive to look nice. I love you guys, and I say bye bye. Look, you see that? You don't have to go expensive. Go slowly. Go with your budget. Okay? Love you guys.